We got a little mock-up, my Jacobs Chuck 1A Toolpost Drill for the Harbor Freight mini lathe. About 9/16 travel. Can be adjusted by choking up on the shank a little bit. Had a heck of a time reaming that hole. My reamer was insisting that it was a 1/2-inch reamer, but after further examination I noticed it had an Allen head screw in the top of it, and it adjusted to well into the 1/2-inch range. So there it is. We get the lathe put back together after the ordeal it has been through between milling and fly cutting. I'm going to have to do a little tuning up. So, like and subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend, help me grow this channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with somebody.